Defense Ministers of NATO countries are virtually meeting today on Wednesday to discuss the bloc mission in Afghanistan and Iraq and the NATO 2030 initiative. The United States says the path to diplomacy with Iran over the 2015 nuclear deal is open now. Prime Minister Imran Khan says the government is making efforts to mitigate the effect of pollution through aggressive plantation campaign. Myanmar coup appointed in a big show of rejection of military claims. Japan start coronavirus vaccine rollout with healthcare workers. New Zealand end lockdown after the deciding coronavirus outbreak contained. Bahrain launched digital COVID-19 vaccine passport. 10-year-old Libyan revolutionary live with wounded unfulfilled dreams.